A team of National Disaster Response Force carried out rescue operations in the flood-affected areas of Barpeta district, Assam. The 1st Battalion of the NDRF reached the spot and evacuated 487 marooned villagers and transported them to safer places. Teams are also assisting the district administration in the distributions of the face mask, screening inundated areas and maintaining proper social distancing due to COVID-19. Intense rainfall has led to the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries to flow above danger level in different parts of the state, and the flood situation in Assam has worsened after 4 straight days of heavy rainfall. 42 people have died in flood-related incident and 13 lakh affected in Assam so far.
Incessant rainfall since last 1 week in Assam had led to unexpected flood in districts such as Bogaigaon, Baska, Kamrup, rural Rangai and Barbeta of Assam. Flood situation created due to overflowing the rivers Puthimari, Beki, Ai and Pahumara. The flood has hit the normal life of locals. On 12 July 2020, the 1st Battalion of NDRF reached the flood-affected areas of Barbeta district and evacuated 487 maroon villages and transported them to safer places. Besides, team are also assisting district administration in distribution of masks, screening in unducted areas and maintain proper social distancing due to COVID-19. 11 search and rescue teams of NDRF are pre-position deployed in Assam like Jorhat, Bogaigaon, Kamrup Metro, Kamrup Rural, Baska, Barbeta, Kachar, Sivasagar, Sonitpur, Dhemaji and Tinsukia. Besides 4 search and rescue teams of NDRF earmarked for tackle the flood situation. NDRF control room keeping close watch in other flood affected areas. On the unexpected development of flood situation, Randir Singh Gill, Commandant 1st NDRF Guwahati said in statement, people need to keep alternative system of giving emergency medicines, dry food and water for at least 1 week in a low-lying area till the problem is completely eradicated. More than 950 maroon villages evacuated this year monsoon season by 1st Battalion NDRF Guwahati. The flood situation in Assam worsened after 4 straight days of heavy rainfall. 42 people have died in flood-related incidents and 13 lakh affected so far. A severe flood warning has been issued in Assam and neighboring Arunachal Pradesh after water levels of the Brahmaputra River crossed the danger mark. Heavy rainfall is likely to continue till July 16, the Indian Meteorological Department has said in its latest bulletin. The Brahmaputra is flowing above the danger level at Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Dhubri, Golpara, Jorhat and Sonitpur district. Bureau Report.